Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Promeo AI Marketing Studio app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Promeo is an AI-powered marketing content creation app developed by Cyberlink, designed to help businesses, marketers, and content creators produce professional ads, social media posts, and videos in minutes. The app offers a wide range of customizable templates, AI-assisted copywriting, and AI image generation, along with tools for branding, resizing, and multi-platform publishing. It also supports direct export to popular social media platforms, making it a convenient all-in-one marketing studio. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Promeo's clean, intuitive interface and the time it saves when creating marketing content. The AI tools can quickly generate engaging headlines, add copy, and visuals, while the templates ensure a polished look even for those without design experience. The ability to brand content with custom logos, fonts, and colors makes it ideal for maintaining a consistent brand identity. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users feel that advanced customization options are limited compared to professional design software, and certain templates may require additional tweaking to stand out. AI-generated images can sometimes be hit or miss, requiring manual editing for best results. Additionally, while there's a free version, full access to premium templates, AI features, and export options requires a subscription, which may be costly for casual users. In summary, the Promeo app may be worth using if you want to speed up your marketing workflow, maintain brand consistency, and leverage AI tools without needing professional design skills. However, if you require extensive customization, complex design capabilities, or prefer free tools, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.